Get ready to see light reflection in action. Your DIY infinity mirror uses 2 special mirrors and LED lights to create a glowing tunnel that seems to go on forever, and you get to build it yourself. Everything you need is in the box: a back mirror, a see-through front mirror, a wooden frame, a USB-powered LED light strip, glue dots, and shiny embellishments. First, peel off the protective film from the shiny side of your back mirror. Slide it into the back groove of the frame with the shiny side facing forward. That's where your lights and decorations will go. Now, let's set up the lights. The LED strip goes between the 2 grooves, right along the inside of the frame. Place glue dots in each corner. Start at the bottom, thread the USB wire through the hole, and press it firmly into place. Peel the backing and stick the LED strip all the way around. Now for the fun part, decorating. Use your craft glue to add alphabet beads, shiny gems, and other embellishments. Spell your name, make a pattern, or design something totally your own. Remember to leave a little space around the lights so your decorations don't block the glow. Peel off the plastic from both sides of the see-through mirror, then carefully slide it into the front groove of the frame. You're about to see the magic happen. Add sparkle to the outside too. Decorate the wooden frame edges with beads or gems for extra shine. Time for the big reveal. Plug in your USB cable, turn on the lights, and watch how the mirrors create an endless tunnel of reflections. That's the infinity illusion. The infinity effect happens when light reflects between 2 mirrors over and over. It's a simple but awesome STEM concept. Curious about the science behind your glowing tunnel? Check the instruction sheet in your kit for a clear breakdown of how it works. Your DIY infinity mirror is complete. Place it on your shelf or nightstand and enjoy your glowing masterpiece. Scan the QR code to join our VIP list for free printables, discounts, and more fun surprises.